Hello my friends, what a nice day we have here in Rhodes. 23 degrees outside, and today the day has come where I have to visit the aliens bureau. Other words, immigrant office in the police station. To be honest, I'm a little bit scared because I'm 11 days overdue, and I have no idea what happens to me when I walk into that police station. I got all my papers and I hope everything goes well, because the paperwork here in Greece is a headache. The problem visiting government offices is that they only want you to talk in Greek. So it's gonna be difficult, but I hope to show with my hands what I want. And I have noticed that Greek people are not happy if you don't speak their language. But to be honest, I like to be a tourist here in Greece, because tourists are treated differently, much better than being a foreigner in Greece. As I'm 11 days overdue, I'm basically an immigrant, but when I visited the police station 5 months back, then I was sent away because I didn't work anywhere. And now I have all the work papers. When you visit the immigrant office, you need 3 things. You need an apartment license, that you rent a house here or apartment. Then you need 3 passport pictures, and you need a passport copy and the original passport. And from employer's side, you need proof that you work here, and I got it a few days back, so now I can visit the aliens bureau. I don't even know why it's called that, but let's hope we don't see any aliens there. So this is the police headquarters. This is not where we have to go. I think the immigration department was this side. I must say I'm really nervous, because I hope I won't be deported from the country. Because who else gonna do the videos here in Rhodes? Everything is together here. Here's the fire department, and as I remember, there was a little door where I have to go. Let's see if we can find it. Immigration office, that's it. Wish me luck. See you later. As usual, dealing with papers in Greece is a pain, because they are open only few hours. So now I have to come back in a week, because I'm working all the days. New day, new attempt to invade the aliens bureau and hopefully not get deported. So that's why I brought my new sunglasses, and we're gonna walk in like a boss and hope everything goes well. 9:01, let's try again. Let's wait. These new sunglasses really worked because the luck was on my side this time. The whole process took 15 minutes and now I have to go back in a week to pick up my papers. And luckily I remembered that I went to Estonia 2 months ago and came back, so the time was counting again, so 6 months didn't pass. So it went really good. People were nice, they didn't force me to speak in Greek, so everything is perfect. Now I have to rush back home because I have a work day today and I don't want to be late. See you in my next videos.